Hello students, now we have to move for the 13th sum in the exercise 5.3. Let's read the sum. In the figure 5.31, a square OABC, this is the square OABC, is inscribed in a quadrant. So it is there already in a quadrant of a circle OPBQ. OPBQ. This is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant in the sense yesterday only I told you, a part of a circle like that. Okay, so this is called one part. So in this we can see the square. Okay, like that it will be there. Don't get confusion. Okay, like that it will be there. Just one part of this has taken. Okay, then if OA, this OA is how much they has given, 20 centimeter. OA is 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. We want to find the area of shaded region. Shaded region in the sense that's this thing we want to find out. It is a square already. Square in the sense all the sides are equally. I mean this is also 20 AB and this is also 20 and this is also 20. Let's write one inside that one shaded line or dotted line actually, because we can find the radius of the circle. This is called as radius. Okay, this is, so if we are taken like that, this is called as the radius. So in this we can find the radius of the circle. Radius in the sense the line which is drawn from center to the circumference of the point. Okay, so that's why I draw the dotted line, extra dotted line. It is extra thing it is, because we can use the Pythagoras. Two sides we know. If we calculate the OB, so we can get the radius of the circle. So that is radius by Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB by Pythagoras theorem. So what we can say, this OB square equals OA square plus AB square. So nothing but OA is 20 square plus AB is 20 square. 20 is a 400 plus 20 is a 400 again. 400 plus 400 is 800. That is the value of OB square. Then OB equal to, so for 800 we can write as square root of 400 into 2. Okay, 400 into 2. So if we remove the square symbol, square here, we want to put a square root. So 400, there is no square number for 800, but for the square number 400 there will be the square number. So that's why I have separated. I make it 400 into 2. So for the square number for 400 is, we can take as 20. 20 is a 400. 20 root 2 is the answer of OB. This thing we can get 20 root 2. Okay, this is also called as radius. This is also called as what? OB is the radius. Okay, OB is what? Radius. Now we have to find out the area of sector. Area of sector or area of quadrant also we can take. Area of sector is, we know the formula, that is the theta divided by 360, I mean full sector, into pi r square, this sector. Okay, so theta in this we know already, because it is a square. 90 divided by 360 into pi value is 22 divided by 7, or we can use directly 3.14 is also into r. We got now radius, that is the 20 root 2. R square is there, so you have to multiply that. 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. 10 get cancelled. 9 4s are 36. Again 2 2s are 2. 11s are again from 2. So that is 5.5 to 5.5. So R we can take directly, that's as a 3.14. 1 minute, we can take directly this for easy calculation. theta is 90, 360 into pi value is 22/7 or 3.14 we can take, because they only has given use pi as 3.14. For easy calculation we can use that if it is there in a textbook. Into r is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. 1010, 9 4s are 36, from 4 5s are, so we can do this 5 root 2 it is. Okay, so finally we got 3.14. so this thing 5 root 2 into 20 root 2, 25 is 100. 100 into root 2 into root 2 nothing but 2 only, because root 2 into root 2 it will become 2 square into root get cancelled and remaining 2. 200 into 3.14. so let's multiply this 200 into 3.14. just you have to multiply with the number first, then you can put 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 zeros. so finally point after two numbers, so finally we got 628 centimeter square. This is the area of sector, and we want to find out the area of this shaded region. so this area of shaded region is in the area of quadrant minus area of rectangle area of the square OABC. so I think this area of the square we didn't find out. First we have to find out the area of the square. so area of the square we got, let's calculate that. area of square OABC is the side square, nothing but it is side square, nothing but 20 square in the sense 400 square centimeter. okay, so area of the sector minus area of the square is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is big one is area of sector. First we have to take a big one, area of sector, minus in that the small one is area of square. Let's substitute the value. Area of sector we got 628 minus area of the square 400. so 628 minus 400 is 8 minus 0 8, 2 minus 0 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. 228 centimeter square. Yes, this is the area of the shaded region, this region. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the next one. Let's read the sum. AB and CD are respectively the arcs of the two concentric circle. Concentric circle in the sense like that I told you, one inside one circle like that. Okay, so they are the arcs. Arcs in the sense like that one part of a circumference is called as an arc. Like that we can get. Okay, arcs of the two concentric circles of radii. so here one arc and here one arc, totally this one arc and this one arc we can get. so here I am drawing the picture. so next the radii a big this is the center, this bigger circle radii will be the 21 centimeter, it's completely this is 21, and the smaller circle radii up to here only, that is the 7 centimeter. you can check, just I am extended up to this, but it's not there. this is 7 and this is a 21. okay, hope you will understand this up to this only 7 and up to this only 7. so like that one part has taken. Find the area of shaded region. Shaded region in the sense this thing we want to find out. Here angle has given, that is the 30 degree in a triangle. okay, this triangle. Hope you will understand this. okay, the same one part has given in the textbook. okay, so this is the diagram of this. Hope you will understand this thing we want to find out now. okay, here we can get the two sector. One is called this and this is two sectors. okay, so first we have to find out the area of the sector of the biggest circle. Area of sector of big circle, that is same formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square, but radius will be changed. Theta that has given how much, 30, for the both it is same, that is the 30 divided by 360 into pi value is we know that is the 3.14 into r is they only has given biggest circle 21 into 21, right? 1010 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are 12, or we can take here 22 divided by 7 only for easy calculation. So 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are 7, 3s are 21, 1 6 will be remainder, and 3 ones are 3 twos are again, from 2 it is again 5.5. okay, so in the numerator it left what it is 5.5 into 21, 21 into 5.5. So hope you will understand the calculation. 1010 get cancelled, 3 12s are again, 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are it is again, from 6 7 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are, from 2 5.5 into 21. So let's multiply this 5.5 into 21. 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 5 1 1. So here one number is there, leave one number and put a point. 115.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the biggest circle. Next we have to calculate the area of sector of small circle. Same formula, but radius should be changed, into pi r square. Theta is same, 30 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into r of this is 7, 7 into 7. 1010 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 12s are 36, 1717 get cancelled, 2 6 2 11s are again, from 6 we can do here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 is more, 6 ones are 6, 1.5, 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 is more, 6 8 approximately 1.8 into 7 we can do. So that is 1.8 into 7, 1.8 into 7, 7 eights are 56, 5 7 ones are 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So 18 sevens are out. Directly we can do point after one number 126, that is 12.6 centimeter square. 12.6 centimeter square. This is the area of the small sector. Then area of shaded region, we want that, I mean area of the biggest sector minus area of the smallest sector. We can multiply the we can do that. Area of shaded region is area of shaded region, area of biggest sector minus area of smallest sector. So area of biggest sector, how much we got, it is 115.5 minus area of smallest sector is 12.6. So 115.5 minus 12.6 is 15 minus 6 is 9. Next is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1, 102.9. So that equal to 102.9 centimeter square. So this is, I mean, area of this shaded region, because it is in the area of biggest sector minus the smallest sector, we can get this. Okay, hope you will understand this. The next sum we have to do in the next period. Thank you.